I knew that. We have to wash our hands.
Let's Lámh sign. Wash. Wash. U sign. Wash. Good. Wash.
Okay, Julie, now we're ready to make some scones.
Let's Lámh sign. Make. Make. U sign. Make. Good. Make.
Ah, there you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great. It's time to eat.
Let's Lámh sign. Eat. Eat. U sign. Eat. Good. Eat. Let's Lámh sign. Wait. Wait. U sign. Wait. Good. Wait.
Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Let's Lámh sign. Bus. Bus. U sign. Bus. Good. Bus. Let's Lámh sign. Be careful. Be careful. U sign. Be careful. Good. Be careful.
But I like to splash in it!
Let's Lámh sign. C. C. U sign. C. Good. C.
What do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
Let's Lámh sign. Sand. Sand. U sign. Sand. Good. Sand.
Claire, we had to deliver 3 items. A bucket, a spade, and an ice cream.
Let's Lámh sign. Ice cream. Ice cream. U sign. Ice cream. Good. Ice cream.
Here, a crown.
That is too small.
You look a bit silly.
Let's Lámh sign. Silly. Silly. U sign. Silly. Good. Silly.
this okay? Can I be the Chicken King?
Yes!
You can be the Chicken
King!
Yes! That makes me happy!
Let's love sign. Happy. Happy. You sign. Happy. Good. Happy.
Are we ready?
No! We need music!
I'm sorry. I'm sad. Wait here.
Let's love sign. Sad. Sad. You sign. Sad. Good. Sad.
Where's the shop?
Let's love sign. Shop. Shop. You sign. Shop. Good. Shop.
More?
What? I'll get a last one.
Milk.
Let's love sign. Milk. Milk. You sign. Milk. Good. Milk.
Hello again. We've come to give you some money.
Let's love sign. Money. Money. You sign. Money. Good. Money.
And we are looking for the library.
This is the library. Let's love sign. Library. Library. You sign. Library. Good. Library. Perfect. Now, let's sit down and read.
Yeah.
Let's love sign. Read. Read. You sign. Read. Good. Read.
Joe slips on the banana.
Let's love sign. Banana. Banana. You sign. Banana. Good. Banana.
Ah, there you are.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello.
I'm here to go horse riding.
First, we have to do some work. We must clean the stable for the horse.
Okay, let's clean the stable for the horse.
Let's love sign. Horse. Horse. You sign. Horse. Good. Horse.